Are you experiencing error code NP-103019-4 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check game download and installation. The PS5 NP-103019-4 error typically occurs when there is an issue with a specific application or game. It can happen during startup, while launching an application, or during gameplay. When you get such an error, check if the game is downloaded properly on your system. Highlight the game in question from the home screen. Press the Options button. Select Information. Download status to ensure the game is fully downloaded and installed. Method 2. Check for application updates. Next, ensure the game is up to date. Highlight the game. Press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Method 3. Check for system software update. Next, make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 4. Free up system storage. Low storage can cause applications to malfunction, so check the storage. Free up space by deleting unnecessary files or applications. To uninstall a game or app on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage, then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game or an app and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Once done, relaunch the game and check. Method 5. Restore licenses. Sometimes a license issue can cause the application to not work. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select Users and Accounts and then select Other. Next, select Restore licenses. Once done, the issue should be resolved. Method 6. Delete and re-download game data. Next you can do is uninstall and reinstall the game. To uninstall a game on PS5, you can follow method 4 or you can open PS5 device storage, then open console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. And there you have it. The methods to fix the error code NP-103019-4 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.